All right, quick unpackaging of what you're going to receive in your box. We're just going to open this piece up really quick, show you all the different components that are received. So it all comes in this one piece. What you're going to notice here is you've got 3 boxes that are your surface mount brackets, okay? So 3 surface mount brackets, as well as your 3 light fixtures, okay? They're going to come in these boxes just like this. 3 light fixtures. And then you're also going to receive a bunch of hardware pieces. So you're going to have a remote. This is used for setting the sensors on your each individual fixture. And then here are your respective sensors. You'll notice that on each one of the sensors, it's a tapped product, which means it's just going to screw in. It's going to screw into each one of those light fixtures, which we'll show you here in just a second. So you have 3 of those sensors. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You got your 1 remote, and that 1 remote will control all 3 of those sensors. And then you're also going to have, because your garage might have your screw-in base, light bulb base pieces, and so you're going to receive 3 of these as well. 3 of those are going to come in each one of your pieces. So if you do in fact need to just plug in, which these are going to have wires connected, so if you just need to plug in, you'll just screw that into your light bulb base and plug your light fixture into the base piece that you have right there, okay? We're going to show you the light fixture and just show you how that sensor plugs into each one of those fixtures, okay? So on this light fixture, there is a port that's on the front of the fixture, and that port is where we're actually going to plug in that sensor piece. So each one of your light fixtures is going to come with a chain, right? It's going to come with a chain as well as a hook mount. So if you want to use the chain to mount, of course, you can use that, but a majority of the time what we're showing is pitching the surface mount piece. The chain is just an option if that's something you wanted for the future. And then you have your instructions that kind of goes over inputs and chain and mounting and those types of pieces. And then you've got your fixture itself. So the fixture, as I mentioned, is going to have a port on the front hand side. So that port right there on the front hand side, it's just it's a screw in. So you just unscrew that port there on the front hand side. Okay, you remove that cap, and now you can grab your sensor and you just screw your sensor in. And now we're done. So that's how easy it is to put the sensor into your lighting fixture. So there's your lights, your 3 lights. Oh, we want to show you the surface mount piece as well. So on these surface mounts, there's a couple pieces that come in here that you won't need. So these surface mounts are designed to be a closed structure if you want them to be. So for us, because we don't need them to be a closed structure because your wire is already sealed on your piece, we're going to mount this surface mount to our ceiling surface. This piece right here, which is just a conduit cable, that is unnecessary, unneeded for this install. These are 2 walls that would go on either side of this box if you were doing wire nuts and those types of pieces inside the box, which is also not what we're doing. So those 2 flat brackets go away as well, and we just need the surface mount piece, as you'll note here, for that respective aspect. Okay, that is all the pieces that come with your setup here. You can see exactly how those pieces will kind of go together. Super simple, straightforward, compact setup that really designs and makes a phenomenal light output into your home garage.